objectives. Which will you achieve after completing this course? This online course will guide you on how to make presentations easily to make your learning perfect, so that you can learn the basic features of Microsoft PowerPoint and apply it into your classroom for teaching with technology. You can enter to this online course easily. First, you can use any web browser like Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, etc. Here, I am using Google Chrome to go to the internet. So, make sure that your computer has connected to the internet just before to the begin. After clicking your web browser, you can go to the internet like this, and you will see a home page like this. So here in my screen it has loaded the Google search engine, and you can search the course, type its name on the address bar. And also you can use search bar for your many searching purposes. Okay, now let's see how to open Microsoft PowerPoint. First, you can go to your search bar and type there PowerPoint. So it will pop up the window and show to open PowerPoint. Then you will see some design presentations and blank presentation. You can select a design for your presentation. And it will generate the presentation design and select any color from here and create your presentation. From this lesson, you will identify the PowerPoint IDE. So, in the top, you can see the menu bar. Under the menus, you will see the sub-menus in a ribbon. This is our first slide. We need to get more slides for our presentation. For that, we can click New Slide. So, after that, you will see many slide layouts. Title slide, title and content, title only. So, you can select any slide layout according to your purposes. After that, you can see some placeholders to enter text and other objects. Here you can add your text like this. Okay, now as the next lesson, let's learn how to insert objects to the presentation. We can insert objects our presentation like pictures, videos, audios, text, etc. Before insert an object, we need to identify the layout of our slide. I'm going to add 2 pictures. For that, I am using new slide with 2 content layout. Here you can see we can insert objects like table, chart, smart art graphic, picture, online pictures, video. So now I am going to add a picture for my presentation. Here I click pictures. Then I am going to save pictures and select a picture and insert. So you can adjust your picture. And according to my layout, I am going to add another picture, insert, and resize it. If someone wants to change their design of the presentation, they can go to the design menu and select a design according to their desires, and also change the color theme from variants. Now let's learn how to animate objects in a presentation. For that, we can use animations menu. Before that, we need to click the object should animate. After that, in the animations menu, you can see some animations. There are 3 types of animation here. Entrance, emphasis, exits are 3 basic animations in a presentation, and you can add more effects from here. So I am selecting this animation or this picture, and also I would like to set another. So in the animation pan, you can play and see how it works. And also you can select how should start your object, on click or with the previous object, or after some objects. And also you can change some effects from here. Okay, now let's learn how to search resources which need for our lessons. As an example, think you want to download a picture about human heart. So I go to the search bar and type there human heart. So here you can see some I need some images. Click here and you can see many pictures. So I click here. I need to identify the parts of the human heart. So I need to download this. For that, right click on the picture, save image as. And automatically it has given a name. So I click save. I'm going to take another picture of heart. I would like to get this. Right click on this, save image as. If you want to save your image in another location, select the location from here. I would like to save my pictures here, so that I leave this name as it is and save. Likewise, you can download some pictures, need your presentations, and you can add your pictures, your presentation.